Alright. Some lady, a telemarketer, called me and left a message. Alright. This message is probably the coolest one I've ever heard. Hang on, listen.
Hi Marcy, this is Jessica calling from Healthy Lifestyles, and I'm calling you because you've been selected for one of our bridal packages, so congratulations. You can give me a call back at toll-free 866-395-0032 and ask for Jessica extension 102. Again, congratulations, and I look forward to talking with you. Bye.
She freaking burped after the thing, and that was actually the actual thing that happened. I didn't call anybody and tell them to do that. That actually happened. I was laying on my futon. I was just like, no, I'm not getting the phone. That lady called. That was great. That was like the probably #1 thing that made my day right there.